Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got something exciting to share with you guys. This is I believe the oldest vintage Coach bag that I've ever come across, at least up until this point. This is a Bonnie Cashin for Coach piece, which is, you know, somewhat rare. I believe this piece was likely made in the 60s or maybe early 70s. I'm not 100% sure on when it would have been made, but that would have been the general era, I believe. And I'm not sure about like a specific style number that they would have used, if they even used them back then, or what the official name of this bag would have been. But as you can see, it's a miniature size tote, and it kind of does look like it could be maybe a shopper style tote, so I'm not sure about the specific name that they would have given it back then, but it's kind of the general information that I have about it. And as I mentioned, this was a Bonnie Cashin for Coach piece, and it does have her signature lining, her signature stripes lining on the inside. So here's what the inside looks like. It does have a small pocket in here with a metal Coach tag that you can see right there. And anytime that you see a Coach bag, an early Coach bag like this that has this lining inside, this was Bonnie Cashin's signature lining, so you can likely assume that it was made by her. And anyway, I'll go ahead and give you a little tour of the bag now. So here's the front of the bag. It does have a little kiss lock coin purse type of addition right here on the front with the same striped lining, so the pocket is a little bit deep. And then here's what the side looks like, and the back, and then the other side, and then the bottom of the bag does have these 4 purse feet, so that the bag does sit slightly elevated when you set it down, which is nice. And then it does have these 2 top handles, and I guess you would likely carry the bag by hand or maybe on your wrist or your forearm, since I don't think it would comfortably fit like over your shoulder. It is a pretty small bag, but it's definitely a cute, beautiful, rare collector's piece. It's definitely a smaller bag, but it's definitely a beautiful and rare collector's piece. So anyway, that's what the bag looks like. I will of course link it below in the Etsy shop if you guys want to check it out further, but otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.